In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Canva not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now I'm on Canva right now, and if something's not working or if something is frozen, quickly press Ctrl A and then Ctrl C to copy everything to your clipboard. Try and refresh your page or just try and close it entirely. Open it again because then at least you'll be able to paste something as well. Sometimes from using a lot of one website, your cache will build up. So what you want to do is press these three little dots, then go over to settings, and then you just want to go over and clear your website data as well. And that should definitely help. And what you could also do is open up an incognito tab or a private window and log into Canva there. If it works, that's going to basically help. And if it works, that's also going to be because there's going to be a Chrome extension like an ad block or anything like that that might be preventing it. So what I want to do is press this little extension icon, then press manage extensions, and anything I don't want to be using, go ahead and remove those extensions, and then that should definitely help as well. As for Canva settings, there's not really anything you could do within the application. Just make sure you go ahead and change and clear your cache and everything, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.